Charlton are considering legal action after Sheffield Wednesday were deducted 12 points to be enforced next season. Wednesday have been penalised for breaking the EFL's profitability and sustainability rules. If the deduction was applied to this season, they would have been relegated to League One, with Charlton staying up. While the EFL says that Wednesday should not have included profits from the sale of Hillsborough in the club's financial statements for the period ending July 2018, Charlton finished the season 1 point from safety, while Wigan were relegated following a 12-point deduction for entering administration. This is how the Championship finished then. Sheffield Wednesday in 16th place and just 8 points above the relegation zone. As you can see, if Wednesday's points deduction was applied now, they would fall to the bottom of the table with 44 points. Our reporter Alan Myers explained why the points deduction will be applied to next season's table.
But for the COVID pandemic, the season would have been well finished by now. This disciplinary commission process would have still been going on at this point. That wouldn't have changed. It would have still, and you know, it's really important to note that actually the new season would have been starting tonight. It would have kicked off tonight. So you know, if you take out the fact that the season was extended, you know, this disciplinary commission hearing would have been going on now. So the season would have been ended. So it would have automatically gone next season anyway. So that's the reasoning. The club should not have included those profits from the sale of the Hillsborough Stadium in the financial year ending 2018. Clubs can make up to a £13 million loss over each year over 3 years. So it brought them underneath the £39 million losses, which meant that they didn't, you know, they didn't get any sanctions because of that. It would have, if it had been done properly, it would have gone in and meant that, you know, they wouldn't have been able to reach those figures.
So Charlton, who at present are headed for League One, have issued a strongly worded statement. They say the club is considering a legal challenge following the news that Sheffield Wednesday will receive a sporting sanction that will take effect in the 2020-21 season. We fail to understand why the deduction will take place next season rather than the current season, which seems to be irrational, and are writing to the EFL to get an explanation of the justification.